Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone has had a fantastic weekend. I myself decided to go on a little longer weekend to just enjoy, as I was thinking that Bitcoin will just range more. Ended up that we actually took the lows. Nice, beautiful. It was a level that I think I've mentioned in the past. It was the swing failure pattern of this low. We took it and then shoot up. So far, we got about 7% pump. Yeah, 7%. So it's not bad. Always good to see a strong rebuy like that, especially it was on the daily. It looks really nice on the daily candle, but it was in the middle of the day. And then you can see that the US also followed. Good reaction. What I like right now is we hanging at an old daily level, I think. So we just currently rejected from an old daily level that was right here. Okay. The CC is also still slightly higher. Okay. So this is where we expect more resistance because this daily has been washed and traded through already plenty of time. So I don't like to have that on my chart. I'll show you what I'm actually looking at for today. As you can see, we've been trading in this simple range, right? It's a range that I shared in the group this morning, I believe. Really nice. How can you find a channel? You take the swing highs and you find the swing low in between those swing high. You see, so results in quite a nice reaction. Touch the low to the dollar almost to give us the reaction. Okay, so the target, if you trade the range, of course, here, the middle of the range is a take profit, and then you wait for your take profit to here, stop loss at entry, wherever you entered. Order block also slightly higher. It's a 4-hour order block. The lows has been taken already. However, we still have the EQ and the highs, which I'll be more interested in. Of course, that's if we can only reclaim and breach that level, which for now looks quite difficult as we're facing resistance on that daily shown. I think this is the monthly open, right? At 45K. So it seems a bit far for now. So I don't think I'll mention it. Let's zoom in a bit for today's plan, how we want to trade that, what we want to do with it. Okay, simple. Right now, we clearly facing a rejection. This is a high volume node that we also lost. Something to keep in mind. If, for example, here we were to continue ranging here, in this case, pay close attention that the point of control don't move all the way up here because that will make everything a bit more bearish in my opinion. However, if it remains like this, and right now we just go lower and looking for support, that's also really nice. As you can see, we had quite a fast pump. So what goes up fast need to comes down fast. But for now, I'm not particularly having any bias. I don't think we're going to go back to the lows, at least today. I could be wrong. Okay, everything is possible. But for me, I have a few zones of interest. My first zone of interest is this level right here. This is a naked point of control coming also in confluence with an order block right here. Okay, so this is my first zone of interest. Also to keep in mind that today we have a possible CCV. As you can see, we lost the D open. Okay, possible CCV is getting reacceptance into previous day value area high, and then the target will be previous day value area low. However, as you can see, the previous day value area high is coming in confluence with our point of control of this overall range. And let's pull a fib real fast. From low to the high, we're going to put a classic fib. Okay, and we also have the 382 slightly higher. Definitely a level to be aware of, this whole area. I have levels of interest right here, here, slightly lower, even to the previous day equilibrium, and then holding that CC and the previous day point of control. That's where it will be more optimal for me to long, but going back down there will like give us the fact that we lost the point of control, which will be slightly bearish for going back to the value area low. So that's my plan for the downside. For the upside, so as I mentioned, we have the pocket right here, still slightly higher. So I would look for a short slightly higher. I did not take the short right now because I'm still looking for slightly higher. Yeah, here are the levels that I will be looking at. Yeah, so I need to see where the VWAP closed today. It's definitely a level I like to have on my chart. Okay, so yeah. So VWAP closed right here. Perfect. So yeah, so this whole area right here is pretty good support. However, here, previous day value area high is also the point of control of this whole range. A huge high volume node, so I wouldn't be surprised to see something like this. So something like that. If we lose this, it's slightly bearish, but keep in mind that here is also definitely support. Okay, it's also coming with some order blocks. So make sure to draw them to be aware. For now, I think that's it. Yeah. So simple, trading the range at the moment. Above the point of control is no longs, but mainly short. Okay. Below the point of control and in between the point of control and the value area low is look for longs. Okay. May we bounce on the point of control? For me, it's a bit in the middle of an area, so I'm not too favorable. Well, I will take a scalp, but I will definitely not hold it as a swing. For a swing, I would like to get back within this area. I think the point of control can hold and at least go back to the top of this channel. That would be nice. For the high time frame levels, we have a daily right here, daily slightly higher also. Not much to say. If you cut the longs here, I think you're safe. You should have take profit at least twice already, in my opinion, except if you consider it as a swing and here was only your first take profit and you're looking for higher. That makes sense also. For now, this is it for me. Also, I shared in the group right now. I like this figure a lot, guys. It's a bit early to tell, right? Because we're only on the wave B at the moment. So a bit too early to tell, but I would like something like this. So why I would like something like this, it will be more sideways, it will wreck everyone. Also, I like it very much because if I take the Fibonacci time from the last swing high to the swing low to the high, you see, we put this low right on the 1-to-1 Fibonacci time, which is really nice. It's a good confirmation. So maybe we get like A, B, C to the C. Maybe we go even more sideways before going up. Okay, but this, I like this version very much. Also, how to make it valid, simple. You take the low to the high, you put your pocket, and where did we bounce? Right from the pocket. Still valid, nothing to be overexcited about. Okay, this is just an idea. But yeah, if you took this long, your target will be the C. I hope that helps. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and happy trading, everyone. Bye-bye.